my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Stockholm Conference and Rio Declaration on Environment and Development. Stockholm Conference, the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment held at Stockholm in 1972. It was the first major environmental discussion of environmental issues. The meeting marked a polarization between the priorities of economic growth and environmental protection. History of Stockholm Conferences. In 1968, UN General Assembly convoked a World Conference on Human Development. The United Nations Conference on Human Environment was held in Stockholm, Sweden from 5th to 16th June in 1972. This conference took place with 113 states, 400 NGOs, 1,500 journalists, 6,000 people, 19 intergovernmental agencies. This is the history of Stockholm Conference. The Stockholm Conference was held from 5th to 16, 1972. The focus of this conference was the state of global environment and the relationship between economics, science and the economic environment in political context. So the Stockholm Conference emphasizes solving environmental problem. India played a very significant contributory role in this conference. This conference laid the foundation of environmental legislation in India. So these are the principles of Stockholm Conference. Then human rights must be asserted. Natural resources must be safeguarded. Earth capacity to produce renewable sources must be maintained. Wildlife must be safeguarded. Non-renewable sources must be shared. Pollution must be not exceed the environment capacity to clean itself. Damaging ozonic pollution must be prevented. Then development is needed to improve the environment, and developing countries therefore need assistance to protect our environment. Then developing countries need reasonable prices for exports to carry out environmental management. Then environmental policy must not hamper development. Developing countries need money to develop environmental safeguards. There are number of principles to the Rio Declaration. So, people are entitled to a healthy and protective life. Development today must not threaten the needs of present and future generation. Nations have the right to exploit their own resources but without causing environmental damage beyond the borders. Environmental protection shall constitute an integral part of the development process. Eradicating poverty, environmental issues are best handled with the participation of all the concerned citizens. The polluter should in principle bear the cost of pollution. So, sustainable development requires better scientific understanding of the problem. These are the principles of Rio Declaration. Then outcome of Rio 92, Convention on Biological Diversity, Framework Convention on Climate Changes, United Nations Convention to combat desertification. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Wish you all.